this is Harpreet Kaur. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel called Power Dynamics. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to build your very first autonomous agent using Copilot Studio where no coding is required, just creativity and curiosity. So let's dive in and make automation fun. So, the scenario I'm going to cover here is a warranty claim processing using Copilot Studio. I'll show you how to build autonomous agents that interact with external customers, reads the warranty policy documents, and help them submit claims based on eligibility. And this is completely automated and user friendly. So let's get started. This is my Copilot Studio. Here I have the option to create new agent. I'm starting from scratch. Once you click on that, you will get this interface. You have to click on create here. Now it is getting started. You will get this kind of interface. This is for instruction and this for testing purpose. Here you can see you give the name warranty claims agent. Make it as tabs. Now, after giving the name, you have to click on save. That will save the name. Now, you have to use the generative AI to determine how best to respond. This should be enabled. After that, you have to add the knowledge. So, in the knowledge, I will provide a warranty policy document. Let me show you. Here's my policy document. So this is my product warranty policy for XYZ organization. It have the coverage, eligibility, exclusion, claim process, resolution, and legal rights. So this is my document. I will give this document in there. Once I gave this, it will take the file name, and the file name to display, and the description. Knowledge source searches the information contained in the product policy. So add to the agent. Now it will take time on basis of on the document. Like my document is short, so it will take some time. If the document is long, it will take the time based on the basis of that and the length of that document. And here it is in progress. Now, once this is ready, I'll test. I'll add some step and test so that it is easy. If it's stuck somewhere, so it will be easy to fix it. I click on refresh. I'll ask a question. Can I claim mm, warranty for the product purchased on 15 March 2025? It is generating, searching for the knowledge sources. After that, yeah, this is the response. Yes, you can claim a warranty for the product purchased on 15 March as a warranty period as 12 months from the date of purchase. So this knowledge is from the source which I have given, which is my policy documents. Now we'll add some more details to it. I'll quickly go to this overview, and inside the tools I will add, I'm searching for send an email and click on enter. I'm selecting this send an email v2. Add to agent. Now on click of this, you will see there are different options. It will automatically give define dynamically fill with AI. I will leave as is to show you how the things work, how Copilot is in using generative AI to determine to and content. But for the subject, I will change to show how we can give custom value. So the custom value is uh, warranty claims, warranty claim request, and click on save here. It will save the option. Go to overview. Now click on refresh and test it again. I'll ask again. Due to some reason that it is not there. Can I claim warranty for the product purchased on 15 March 025? So this is the response. This is my question. I'll again ask the question. Please send. Now, this is the instruction which I'm giving and it is following. Please send an email with the response and click on enter. Prompt here is coming because I have not authenticated it. So it will ask me here. Now, you can see here I receive the email with the subject line, which is my custom value warranty claim request. And this is the content, which is generated by AI. So you can claim a warranty product, whatever information is there in the document, it is here. So this is how Copilot works. If you feel the content is helpful for you, then do like, share, subscribe, and follow for more such video. Thank you.